Yes guys, natural lang na humahapdi yung skin natin, especially kung first time user ka ng rejuvenating set. Don't twist your skin on buying cheaper products kasi walang pananagutan si Fairy Skin kung anong mangyayari sa skin.
I wanna hear you sing it. Hey mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey mama, we're gonna be alright. Try those.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, by the way, my name is Pabs, so welcome. So for today's video guys is all about Fairy Skin Dermafacial Set. Sasagutin ko na yung mga katanungan nyo doon sa past video ko about Fairy Skin. But before we will proceed to the main video, please don't forget to follow me on my social media at WithLoveByPabs on Twitter and Instagram. So going back to the main video guys, marami akong natatanggap na mga tanong about Fairy Skin Dermafacial Set. So yung pinakaunang tanong na palagi kong nakikita sa comment section is magkano yung Fairy Skin. So Fairy Skin retails for 300 pesos. So yun yung SRP nila, suggested retail price. So, saan nabibili si Fairy Skin? So, Fairy Skin is available doon sa mga legit distributors. So, before buying guys, please do ask their official ID na they are a legit distributor kasi may mga nagbibenta in a lower price which is the product is already expired. Don't twist your skin on buying cheaper products kasi walang pananagutan si Fairy Skin kung anong mangyayari sa skin. Doon na tayo sa mga question na natatanggap ko sa comment section. Start tayo dito. So, the first question is, ask ko lang po kung natural lang na humahapdi yung mukha. This comment is from Tracy C. Yes guys, natural lang na humahapdi yung skin natin, especially kung first time user ka ng rejuvenating. Next question is, help po, di naman sinasabi sa akin, pinagamit lang po ako. 13 years old pa lang ako, tapos nagpipil na siya by now. Pwede ko po ba itigil pag nagpantay na yung white mark sa mukha ko? Pwede po ba mag-stop after 2 weeks lang? Guys, this product is recommended 18 years above. Before using the product, please better ask your dermatologist if you are required or if you are okay na gumamit sa product na ito. Kasi, ano talaga, as far as I know, pinapagamit lang ito 18 years above. Question tayo. Hi, pwede po ba yan sa 14 years old? This is from Shania David. So, guys, again, hindi po siya recommended sa mga teenagers, especially 18 years below. Next question is, this is from Angelo. Pwede magpahid ng makeup after gamitin sa umaga? Yes guys, actually, pwede nyong gamitan ng makeup if hindi pa kayo nagpipiling. Kasi kapag nagpipil up na kayo guys, super visible talaga yung mga skin na nagpipiling. So, I recommend na hindi na lang kayo gumamit ng makeup. Instead, use the sunblock until na mawala yung peeling, saka kayo mag-makeup. Next question is from JL. Pwede ba gumamit ng ibang cleanser while using these products? For me, pwede siguro, pero kung gusto nyo talagang ma-achieve yung pinapangako nila or claims nila na Cutis Koreana, you better use all the products kasi paano mo masasabing effective or nagka-resulta yung talaga yung skin nyo kung hindi nyo gagamitin yung product na included dito sa box na ito. Next question is from Barbie Gore. Kapag nagbabalat na, kailangan ba ipahinga muna sa paglagay, then saka lang maglagay ulit pagtapos ng peeling process? For me guys, hindi. Kasi much better na mag-apply pa kayo ng mag-apply until na mawala yung peeling niya. Pero, of course, super hapdi na, especially if lalagyan nyo na ng toner. So, it's up to you kung mataas yung pain tolerance nyo, saka kayo mag-apply again. Next question is from Josie Espin. Meron po ba sa Mercury? Guys, hindi po siya nabibili sa mga Mercury drugstore or sa mga pharmacy. Nabibili siya again sa mga legit distributor. So before buying, please do ask again their authorized ID or yung ID nila na they are legit distributor of Fairy Skin. Question is, normal po ba yung medyo magamukha ko? From Ashley Akiko. Yes, guys. Usually, namamaga yung mukha natin, especially if you are a first-timer na gumagamit ng rejuvenating set or dermafacial set. So, this question is from Cora Dang. Natural lang po ba kagabi ko pa ginagamit tapos medyo reddish yung face ko ngayon tapos makati siya pero hindi masyado? Yes, guys. Actually, guys, yung effect niya talaga on your first day of using is kinaumagahan, namamaga yung face nyo at the same time, super pula or yung mga kasamahan nyo sabihin nila na ba't umitim ka. But the truth is, parang yung skin, reaction yon na the product is really effective. The next question is from Sidio. Hi, pwede radili soap sa Fairy Skin ang gamiton? Mangito man jud ko basta Kojic. So, yung sinasabi niya guys is, pwede lang bang kahit hindi Fairy Skin na soap yung gagamitin niya kasi nangingitim daw siya sa Kojic. For me guys, I'm not sure if it is recommended to use other soap, but if you are aiming for a nice effect or yung cutis koreana talaga, you better use the product kasi yun talaga yung effect sometimes ng Kojic soap. Pinapaitim niya talaga yung face natin, and then after a week, saka natin makikita yung effect na nagwa-whiten na yung face natin. Question is from Al Grace. Hi po, normal po ba yung parang nangingitim siya at mapdi lang konti din makati ng konti? Yes, normal lang talaga siya. Is from Honey Joy. Hello, normal lang po ba na yung toner and cream yellowish? Hindi po ba magkakos ng problem sa paggamit ko? Yes, guys. Yung cream natin, nag-yellowish na siya, especially kung natatagalan na siyang gamitin. Pwede po bang gabi lang mag-apply ng toner? From Step Nicole. Yes, guys. Pwedeng mag-apply ng toner every night lang kung ayaw nyong mag-apply during morning. But I suggest if kaya nyo naman, ang mataas yung pain tolerance nyo, yan, you better apply morning para mas makita nyo talaga yung effect. Balik na yung mga question na pwede bang mag-makeup while using the product. For me guys, I suggest not to use makeup, especially kung nagpipiling na kayo kasi makikita nyo talaga yung mga yung mga peeling ng skin nyo, especially if you are using foundation. Not unless if siguro maglalagay kayo ng moisturizer, but as I observe, yung gumamit ako, hindi talaga siya nag-work kasi mas nakikita mo talaga yung mga peeling, and kung hindi ka marunong talaga mag-control sa makeup mo, then it is really untidy sa face. So I suggest not to use makeup if you are using Fairy Skin, especially if you are peeling na. Yun yung mga question na natanggap ko doon sa unang video ko about Fairy Skin. Guys, I think that is it for today. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Always remember, you guys are awesome. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Ang laman ng Fairy Skin is itong Fairy Skin Derma Facial Toner, Fairy Skin Sunblock Cream Gel. So maganda yung sunblock nila guys kasi cream gel. Fairy Skin Brightening Cream, and the last one is Fairy Skin Derma Soap. Itong apat yung laman sa box na ito. Yun